We'll guide you through how to scan a QR code on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do. Perhaps you're at an event or something and you've seen the QR code and you want to go and scan it. We're going to guide you through how this is done, as then you can go and get taken to it. Usually it's going to be to a website or perhaps an app. So let's get started. What you want to do is you want to go and open up the camera app. So for me, it's at the bottom here. You can always swipe up and search for it at the top. Then when it goes and opens up, you want to go and head to the top left, and there you're going to see the gear or cog icon. Tap there. What you need to do is come into intelligent features and make sure scan QR codes is switched on. Now what you want to do is go and grab the QR code. I've got it here, and go and point it at it. And you can go and see at the bottom, it's now gone and read it. So this QR code is actually to the GuideRealm channel. So I can go and tap on it, and it should then go and open up the YouTube app, and it should go and take us straight to the channel. And that's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again with another how-to.